our stainless steel one-door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 27.5 inches, a depth of 32.5 inches, and overall height on caster wheels, we have a height of 80 inches tall. Coming to the top will be your power switch along with the temperature controller. Included will be 4 adjustable shelves inside the refrigerator. Each shelf will measure 21 inches in length by 23.5 inches in depth. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator itself will include 26 inches in depth, and the overall height standing at 48.5 inches tall from the bottom to the top partition. Located on the top center and right column will be the LED strips, so with the light feature turned on, the LED lights will display and illuminate the products that you have advertised. Located on the top right corner will be the ETAIL certification and specifications for this refrigerator. Last but not least, this refrigerator will run on 110/120 voltage. A pair of keys will be included for this refrigerator and can be used as lockup whenever the refrigerator is not in operation. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.